Paul bonk. Well, that's alright.
No! Help me!
You can get up. Get everything right in front of you. There you go. Whoa. Come on. On your feet, dude.
Wow!
Good. Alright, skate for the door. Did you do that on purpose? I think you did. Come on your feet. You're going. You're just being silly now. You're going the wrong way. We gotta go that way.